On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2018 Wildwood 28DBUD by Forest River. Enjoy this full-featured unit with all the amenities you need to be comfortable for any outdoor adventure. As you enter, the kitchen is on the left. You will immediately notice the beautiful L-shaped counter with integrated double basin sink and high-rise faucet. There's a 3-burner range top with vent and microwave above. And an extra storage pantry with convenient drawers below sits to the right of the stainless steel refrigerator. Heading towards the front, past the entertainment cabinet, the private bedroom has a queen bed with dual mirrored wardrobes on the sides and storage shelf across the top. At the foot of the bed is a wall cutout with space for a large flat-screen TV and a split closet on the side. After a good night's rest, gather together in the main living area, featuring a comfortable 3-person sofa. Or relax in the cozy booth dinette while the chef and the family prepares meals and snacks for everyone. You can even convert the booth dinette and sofa into extra sleeping spaces if needed. As we move to the rear, there is a spacious double bunk area on the left, and on the right, a linen cabinet with countertop sink and mirrored medicine cabinet above. Behind the bathroom door is a foot flush toilet and shallow tub shower with a draw curtain and skylight that increases headroom and lets in natural light during the day. The twin bunk area on the left offers ample sleeping space for any guest, reading lights, and the lower bunk has a picture window. This lightweight camper makes it easy for you and your family to pack up and hit the road. So get everyone together for an amazing weekend getaway and go make some unforgettable memories with this Wildwood travel trailer. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this and a whole lot more at RV Depot.